Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did Humpty Dumpty in my last video, but before grabbing the makeup wipes, I gave Humpty a little makeover. Et voila! It's Humpty turned sad dolly. If you watch my Humpty Dumpty tutorial, you'll see this is a really simple way to take it up a notch. So let's get started. First, I'm using pink Swoon from MAC to add a bright pink to my eyelids. Using a dense fluffy brush, I'm blending it high above my natural crease. I'm then patting Think Kink from MAC on the center of my eyelids just below the pink. Next, I'm using the Dolce & Gabbana Intense Kohl Crayon in True White to start creating my round doll eyes. I'm then using the Dolce & Gabbana Intense Kohl Crayon in Dahlia to draw my new lash lines. With the dense pointed brush, I'm buffing out the purple liner with the pink from earlier. Next, I'm applying the Armani Icicle Mascara and popping on some lashes. The bottom lashes are flipped to curve inwards along the new lash lines. With the same purple liner, I'm sketching in my new crease, halfway between my lash lines and eyebrows. I'm then adding the same pink to my cheeks, avoiding the cracks so I don't dilute the black. I'm also brushing it on my nose and chin. Using the black Glossier brow flick, I'm drawing in my new brows at a slightly downwards angle for a sad look. For lips, I'm brushing on the Armani Lip Maestro in shade 504, curving slightly inwards to create a pout. I'm then defining the pout with this small lip brush and some concealer. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments down below. See you soon!